here's everything you need to know about Soft99's Glaco Mirror Coat Zero. Glaco Mirror Coat Zero is the only ultra-hydrophobic coating of its kind on the market. Application couldn't be any easier. Simply coat the surface evenly. Right after, you might notice a slight haze. This is a normal phenomenon that occurs when the product sets. It will be gone within minutes. Want good visibility in the rain? Don't forget about mirrors and onboard cameras. Mirror coat creates an absolutely amazing ultra-hydrophobic effect, but its strength comes at the cost of sensitivity. After the application, avoid touching, wiping, washing with a glove or sponge, or using high water pressure on your mirrors and onboard cameras. Mirror heating can also cause damage to the coating, so avoid using this option, especially since with Glaco Mirror Coat Zero there will be no need for it. We hope you enjoyed our how to apply video. Check out our social media channels for more.